Many of us believe that remembering everything from the past, every joy, sorrow, pain, and happiness makes us stronger. But we often forget that carrying everything with us isn't a sign of wisdom. True freedom in life sometimes comes from letting go. This story is like a metaphor, or a reflection in a mirror that offers us an important life lesson. And at the end of the story, I want you to ask yourself, am I living in the present or still dying in the past? Once upon a time, long ago, there was a bird living in a forest. This bird was very sweet and beautiful. But for some time, it had started doing something strange. Whatever the bird saw, heard, or felt each day, whether good or bad, it would write those experiences on small stones. Then, it would store those stones in a little pouch and fly away. Whether the memory was happy or sad, the bird believed every moment was worth remembering. It became a habit, and it even found joy in it. It thought good memories should be kept forever because such moments might never come again. Even bad experiences had something to teach. So, those should be written down too. In the beginning, it was fun for the bird. Every day it wrote its experiences on stones and filled the pouch. But as time went on, the habit grew stronger. The pouch became fuller with new stones every day. As a result, flying became harder for the bird. Still, it believed that someday all these memories would be useful. That tiny pouch had become like a treasure chest of its life. But with time, the pouch grew heavier. The more stones, the more weight, and slowly it started affecting the bird's wings. It couldn't fly as fast or as high as before. One day, the bird met an old wise owl on the way. The owl asked, "Little bird, why are you carrying this pouch?" The bird smiled and replied, "This pouch holds everything from my life, every joy and sorrow, every lesson from my past." The owl frowned and said, "Then are you even alive in the present? Or are you just flying with the weight of yesterday's memories?" The bird didn't understand. It flew away. But this time, the flight felt heavier and more painful. Weeks passed. Now the pouch was so full it was overflowing. The bird could barely lift off the ground. Its wings ached. It had no strength left. Yet, it still dragged the pouch with it as it walked. One rainy day, while trying to walk forward, the bird slipped. The weight of the stones crushed its fragile body. It lay still, buried under the memories it once believed were the key to its survival. But now, those very memories had taken its life. When the rain stopped, some birds flew in to check, but the little bird was already gone. Soon the owl arrived. Looking at the motionless bird with sadness in his eyes, he whispered, "Memories are meant to guide us, not to weigh us down." This short story gives us a powerful lesson. Whether good or bad, memory should be left in the past. We must learn to forget and move on. We shouldn't carry everything with us. We often do the same. We collect every little memory, good and bad. But if we continue to carry the weight of the past every day, we eventually feel tired from the inside. We fail to enjoy the present, and we can't move toward the future. Just like what happened with the bird, many people hold on to past pain or even past joy for too long. But life is all about letting go. We can't bring back what we've lost, but we can make today beautiful. So leave behind whatever has happened, good or bad, and learn to live in the present. Because we cannot change yesterday, but we can shape today. Try new experiences to do something new and build something meaningful in your life. Forgive, forget, move forward, feel something new, take fresh steps, and live with a peaceful heart. If you believe this story should reach more people, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel to stay with us. I'll return again with another inspiring story. Until then, be patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward in life.